We are the Blackstar team. Wanted to introduce ourselves. This is Birkin. He is our lead. Very smooth on the sticks, so much so that he's known as Gandalf. Next to him is Motion Sick. He's a true testimony that a man with shaky hands can still fly smoothly. Arrow Callie flies the left wing, and Moose flies the right wing. The first video is of us a few weeks ago. The second video is us today. We really want to show you what it looks like from our perspective.